Shenzhen is a major city in Guangdong Province, China. It holds sub-provincial administrative status with powers slightly less than a province. Shenzhen is a dynamic, forward-thinking city. People frequently mention Shenzhen's rapidly expanding and sophisticated economy when discussing the city, but many might not be aware that Shenzhen is also a traveler's dream. You'll never get bored in Shenzhen because it's got everything from skyscrapers to historical artifacts, luxurious shopping centers to creative urban villages, and exciting amusement parks to beautiful temples. This coastal city also has wonderful locations where you can experience the allure of the ocean. In this video, we're going to take you through the 15 best places to visit in Shenzhen. Do you like to travel? Are you curious about everything that the world has to offer? Well then, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave this video a like if you enjoyed it. And also, don't forget to tap the bell icon and turn on notifications. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 15. Dafen Beach Waterfront Park. Dafen Beach is located at Mirrors Bay, Yantian District, in the east of Shenzhen. It's the longest beach in Shenzhen with a total length of 1.1 miles. Dafen has clear water, a wide, sandy beach, and soft sand. Dafen Beach Park was created to accommodate all of the needs of visitors. The park is divided into a swimming area, a sports area, a leisure area, an entertainment area, and a barbecue area. Being at the beach is a pleasant activity on hot days. You might enjoy parasailing, motorboats, ATVs, beach volleyball, beach soccer, and many other recreational projects at Dafen Beach. On the right-hand side is the wishing tower, where you can face the endless sea, embrace the clouds above, and peer around at the epic mountains that surround the area, and of course, make a wish. The most well-known part is the 12-mile-long eastern coastal plank road along the Dafen seaside. You can walk directly into the water's edge from an opening space along the road. The renowned Everlasting Love Stone is located next to the New World Bar, which is located at the end of the road. For the lovers who come here, getting their picture taken with the stone is essential. Number 14. Ping An International Finance Center. With a height of 1,965 feet, the Ping An IFC is the tallest tower in Shenzhen and the fourth tallest building in the world. The building features offices, a hotel, a luxurious shopping mall. The observatory deck named Free Sky is located on the 116th floor, and you can admire a bird's-eye view of Shenzhen and Hong Kong's skyline from it. Number 13. SeaWorld Plaza. SeaWorld is a high-end recreation center which includes shopping malls, restaurants, hotels, and parks. The new SeaWorld Plaza covers a total commercial area of 67,000 square meters, including three parts: Minghua Ship, Central Plaza, and ABC zones. Its main attraction is the large ship Minghua, and the center of the mall combines a hotel, bars, and restaurants all in one. Here you can enjoy international cuisine, entertainment, and endless activities. I also recommend checking out the exhibitions at the Culture and Arts Center, which is flooded with natural light, making for a bright and cozy environment. Come at nightfall, or enjoy the musical fountain shows, or head to the bar-lined streets for a drink or two. Number 12. Shenzhen Happy Valley. Shenzhen Happy Valley is a large modern theme park in the city's Nanshan district. The park has 9 existing theme sections and a total of more than 100 amusement rides and programs that are ideal for people of all ages. The 9 sections are namely the Spanish Square, the Castle Fantastic, the MT Adventurous, the Gold Mine Town, the Shangri-La, the Typhoon Bay, the Sunshine Coast, the Happy Time Village, and the most famous, Playa Maya Water Park, that was awarded the Tourism Innovation Award by World Water Park Association. It's especially popular in the summer when temperatures are high. There are approximately 100 fun games throughout the park for both kids and adults. Also, excellent acts in a variety of genres, including magic, acrobatics, and extreme sports. All of these are presented daily in the park. Number 11. Overseas Chinese Town East. Overseas Chinese Town East is a large entertainment and resort complex in Yantian District, set on the mountainside behind Daisha Town, teeming with recreational opportunities as well as miniature villages in both Western and Eastern architectural styles. Night Valley, Tea Stream Valley, and Wind Valley are the 3 theme parks. Actually, Tea Valley isn't a theme park, but merely a calm and beautiful botanic garden carved into the mountains. You enter a classic southern Chinese tea garden as you pass through lush green tea fields, bamboo, wooden bridges, and straightforward log cottages. Night Valley is the one with all of the rides. Night Valley gives guests a fantastic, earthly-based utopia as a staging grounds for numerous adventures, including those into the ocean, under the surface of the earth, and beyond. Rapids Forest shouldn't be missed if you want to travel to a wild forest. Night Valley Waterfall, the largest waterfall among China's coastal cities, is located there. Wind Valley features Olympic and golf sports, the Interlaken OCT Hotel, the Interlaken Spa, and the Tea Show. One of the highlights of the OCT East is the beautiful Dapeng Buddhist temple located on a hilltop 400 meters above sea level in the Tea Valley scenic area. Behind the temple is a four-sided Guanyin golden Buddha statue at the top of the hill. Dahuang Temple in Shenzhen, China is a place to burn incense and pray for good fortune. Number 10. Wutong Mountain area. Hiking Wutong Mountain is one of Shenzhen's most popular activities. It offers trails for all of experience levels, and it has some outstanding views from the top. At 3,093 feet, it is the highest accessible point along this stretch of Shenzhen's coastline. On a clear day, you can see Hong Kong. You will never be able to compare Shenzhen's hiking with the wilderness areas of Europe or the USA, but on a clear day, this does provide a welcome respite from the city. There are rivers, waterfalls, and forests, as well as some protected wildlife, such as boas, kites, and pangolins. Number 9. Dafen Oil Painting Village. Dafen Village is one of Shenzhen's top attractions. It's the largest producer of oil paintings in the world, and it's home to artists who paint and sell cheap copies of famous Western art pieces. It only covers about 0.4 square kilometers, but it's home to over 1,200 painting workshops and over 10,000 painters. You can take a picture of any piece of art and you'll find any number of artists who will transfer it skillfully and inexpensively onto a canvas in whatever size and style you desire. It's a great place to get closer to the local painters and hear their stories. You can walk around, watch the painters working in their workshops, or try your hand at oil painting there. Number 8. Lianhuashan Park. Lianhuashan Park is the biggest and the most well-known of all the parks in the city, covering a staggering 150 hectares. It's frequently in the TripAdvisor and Lonely Planet's top 10 things to do in the city, and it's usually one of the first places visited by any tourist or new residences to the city. That is due to its convenient central location, its abundant greenery, its serene nature, and its beautiful flora and fauna. Some of the attractions here include the Kite Square and Peach Grove. It also offers a sensational view of the Civic Center and downtown Shenzhen below you from a viewing platform that requires just a short little hike. And after you've finished at the park, there's a lot of other options available for you. You can go to Upper Hills, a large shopping and office complex that's connected to the park via a large aerial footbridge. Upper Hills has many, and I say many, food and drink options to choose from, as well as a lot of shopping options. But there are many more beautiful parks in Shenzhen that are worth a visit, such as Central Park, Shenzhen Bay Park, Shenzhen Talent Park, and Honghu Park. Number 7. Futian Central Business District. The economic heart of the city, Futian CBD, is a must-see for those fascinated by modern architecture. It's a busy commercial district and a shopper's paradise, so be prepared for a couple of crowded streets. But it's here amongst many of the city's 5-star hotels that you'll find the Exhibition Center, the Civic Center, Shenzhen Museum, the Central Book Mall, the Library, Concert Hall, Wanshan Art Gallery, and of course, the towering Ping An Finance Center. You'll also find green spaces, mangroves, and popular Coco Park, which combines upmarket shopping with eating and drinking in some of the city's trendiest bars and restaurants. Number 6. Window of the World. Shenzhen Window of the World in Nanshan District is a fantastic replica park situated in the overseas Chinese town, providing the chance to stroll around miniature replicas of 130 of some of the most famous sites in the world. All of the continents are represented. You can visit the Sydney Opera House, the Palace of Versailles, Mount Rushmore, and even journey by raft through the Grand Canyon. As well as monuments, there's a cable car, an indoor ski slope, and an archery field. Nighttime entertainment and fireworks displays take place at the weekends. Visiting during festival time is another way to experience the replica park. Annually, the park holds the Cherry Festival and the Indian Cultural Week. Window of the World runs many programs during holiday periods too. In the summer holiday, the International Beer Festival is a big tourist attraction. Probably the pop music festival is the favorite of the young people, I would venture to guess. And this is held on Chinese National Day. Number 5. Huaqiangbei District. This is a much frequented area of Futian as it houses the largest electronics market in China. From the smallest technological component to computers, cameras, mobile phones, drones, and techno gadgets, you'll find them all here. The three most popular markets are the SEG Electronics, Huaqiangbei Electronics, and Cyber. There are hundreds of shops and booths spread across many floors and buildings. If you're interested in electronics, don't miss the chance to walk around Huaqiangbei. Number 4. Dapeng Ancient City. A visit to China is never complete without dropping in at Dapeng Ancient City. The city was built during the Ming Dynasty around 1934 to serve as a naval base to counter pirates coming from the South China Sea. The fort also played an important role during the Opium War fought against the British forces. The 100,000 square meters area is very well preserved. So well preserved, in fact, that the buildings and the narrow winding streets still look the same way that they did during the Ming and Qing dynasties, giving one a feel for how life was in Imperial China. The city is still surrounded by the stone wall built centuries ago. Number 3. Splendid China Folk Culture Villages. This is the world's largest and most comprehensive miniature park. It consists of 2 areas, including Splendid China Miniature Park and China Folk Culture Village. Splendid China is made up of China's most important historical sites in miniature. They've also replicated some of the more scenic sites. It provides a pleasant walk throughout the park, but if you've visited Window of the World, you might find yourself overdosing on miniatures. China Folk Culture Village provides more of an interest. You can walk through 26 miniature villages and the 56 ethnic groups that make up China's heritage. There are live performances, craft exhibitions, and also gala parties at popular times of the year. You'll learn a lot about the different cultures that exist within China, so if you want to know more about China in a little time, then come on in. Number 2. Fairy Lake Botanical Garden. This massive, verdant escape has lots to offer, even if you're not really into, plants and stuff. The popular pastime among locals is to rent a boat and explore the lake. Fairy Lake Botanical Garden features a research center and a place for sightseeing. It has over 8,000 plant species, with a lot of rare or endangered species among them. Visitors can hike the 21 gardens to admire the different types of plants within them. Number 1. Shenzhen Mangrove Nature Reserve. Shenzhen Mangrove Nature Reserve is a birds' nature reserve, located on the northeastern coast of Shenzhen Bay. Covering around 368 hectares of area, it is the only nature reserve that is located in an urban area, and it's the smallest one in China. The nature reserve has around 10,000 migratory birds coming here to migrate in winter. In addition to the mangrove in the protection area, there are around 55 other species of plants at the site, something like that. The place is regarded as a green corridor of Shenzhen City, with a wide range of beautiful coastal roads fused with the coastal ecological park. The site is a popular destination for cycling enthusiasts, as it can be best accessed and enjoyed on the cycles. Shenzhen Mangrove Nature Reserve has gradually become famous among tourists from home and abroad. So what are your thoughts on Shenzhen? Do share them with us in the comments section below, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to get, more videos like this. See, we got a lot of content coming your way, so, yeah, I appreciate it if you stay tuned. And if you don't, I might cry, but, it's not on you, right? Anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Later.